you see that if we inscribe an ellipse here, using like the same method you used to draw your cylinder, you get the drip line. You're gonna need to be able to find that. So start off your cube just by drawing that. Calculating the ellipse for the bottom of your square. Bottom of your cube, I should say. I'm gonna wait for you guys to catch up, because I'm gonna want you guys to catch up in a second. All right. Now you guys, everyone eyes up. Again, just wait and watch for a second. Eyes up. Everybody. Okay. You guys are all okay with this, I assume. If you bisect each side, if you wanted to, you really don't need to do this, but if you really were a stickler for accuracy, you could bisect every side and find a touch point for the sphere. You see what I mean? Those are the only 6 points that the cube and the sphere share. All right? But now, what I want you to do when you're drawing this, when you're drawing these things, or when you're drawing out your sphere, is I want you to envision your sphere, instead of a circle, I want you to envision it like this. Watch. You have a horizontal plane passing through the center. You have a vertical plane passing through the center. And if I can find another color. And you have a horizontal plane. So I want you guys to envision, actually keep watching for a second. First of all, you guys are all okay with planes, right? And now you imagine each one of those planes there's an ellipse there. It's not 90. There, that's better. Screwing this up. Hang on a second, you guys. What did I do wrong? Wait, there's something screwy on that. Okay, any case, you guys get the idea. Can't figure out what I did wrong there. Wait. Oh, that could be it. Stupid. I had the minor going the wrong direction. That makes a lot more sense now, John. See you guys, it even happens to me. I was trying to draw an ellipse on the wrong side. So what you end up with is you end up with 3 different ellipses. Now what these should ultimately tell you is this. The major axis from the center point if you were to take any one of them, it doesn't matter which one. Oh yeah, okay, it just barely works. Which is what is supposed to happen. So like I'm taking the major axis of the red one, although it could have been any of them. I'm taking this distance here. So I'm taking half of one of the major axes, and I'm basically using that for my compass. Does that make sense? Now if you draw it correctly, what's going to happen, notice where the touch points are, you guys. The touch points are here, here, here. Do you see that all of my touch points are inside of the circumference? Some of them just a tiny bit, but typically they will be all inside that circumference. So that's basically how you draw the mechanical of the spheres. You have to imagine planes passing through that cube. Does that make sense? Go ahead and take whatever notes you need to. I'll give you a chance to take that. Visualize the 3 planes.